So there are many stories about Holi. Okay, the first story I told you was about Krishna playing colors. The story Ayushi told me about Maya Yashoda talking about it. Then we talked about spring season. Then we talked about Ras Leela. There's another most important story, which is there was a demon called Hiranyakashipu. Okay, he was very powerful. Okay, in those days, men, women, God, demons, we all lived together. But what happened that things became like this? The demons who had a lot of power started taking advantage of the power. See, beta, just because you guys have power, you should not go and make the younger children, you can't be mean to them. Just because you are older, just because you have the power, you can't be mean to anybody. Okay? But once they started becoming like that, then God separated demons from us. Okay? So I'm talking about those days. Then Hiranyakashipu had this son called Prahlad. He used to go, Prahlad loved Lord Krishna, and he would always say, Om Namo Narayana, Om Namo Narayana. And Hiranyakashipu never liked it. He said, what is this? I am your king, I am your father, pray to me, don't pray to God. But Prahlad never listened. Hiranyakashipu became mad every day. See, all that shows not that he didn't like his son. He loved his son, but he was so filled with anger that he forgot to love his son. So what he did, he pushed him from a mountain. But did anything happen to Prahlad? No. Lord Krishna saved him. He put him in a cave filled with venomous snake, means poisonous snake. But did anything happen to Prahlad? No. Lord Krishna saved him. So he became tired. So Hiranyakashipu had a sister called Holika. She said, brother, don't be sad. I have a boon. If I wear a cape and if I sit in the fire, nothing will happen to me. So let us trick Prahlad, and I will make Prahlad sit in my lap. I will wear the cape and you set us on fire. So Prahlad will die. So Hiranyakashipu said it's a good idea. But instead what happened?
Holika died.
Because whenever you try to use your power for a bad purpose, you always are defeated. You will always lose. So remember, darlings, if you have something more which is better than your friend, don't use it for a bad thing. Like if you have longer hair, your friend has short hair, and you say, mine is prettier, mine is this, don't keep talking about it and making them feel sad. Believe me, someday or the other, she's going to look more prettier than you. Okay? So don't use your good things for a bad purpose. Holika did that, so God punished her. And they say, when God saved Prahlad, he put colorful flowers from the sky. That is why we play with color. Okay, now all these things are stories. Did they actually happen? We don't know. But what is the purpose of these stories? For us to learn good things. Okay? So please, next class, I want all this told to me. Got it? Yes. Done. Tell me.
Is there like a real story that is true about it?
Raja, was I born at that time? Will I remember? Can I go and call God and say I want to talk to you?
No.
Can I text him?
No. I would like to.
Definitely, I would love to too. But will he answer now? No, I don't have his contact.